All right, U.S. history 10th graders. You guys are wonderful people. We're doing a pretty good job. I'll have your chapter 25, section 2 assignment graded today, or I'll grade it tomorrow, and you'll be able to see those comments and use those on the test. But here's the plan for Monday, April 27th. First, complete the April 27th due now assignment. As we've been doing, you've been doing a good job on that overall. Second, complete the chapter 25, section 3 assignment. That's due Wednesday, April 29th. And that is the last assignment in the World War II unit. So make sure that you get it done. You can wait for the comments that I make on Thursday, the 30th, or you can begin the test right away. That's up to you. There's 2 attempts on it. It's due on Tuesday, May 5th. I'll be grading it on Wednesday, May 6th. But it's available. If you want to work ahead on it, great. If you don't, fine, whatever. One other thing to add here is there's another extra credit assignment available about the atomic bomb decision, and that is due this Wednesday, April 29th. Okay? Please let me know if you need help. Our next video conference will be on Tuesday, this coming Tuesday, April 28th, at 11 o'clock. I would love to see you there. Other than that, if you have any questions, please let me know. Bye.